If you've ever built anything in React, you've probably run into this question. How does the useState hook actually work? Let's break it down in a simple way. In React, state just means data that can change over time. Things like a counter, a form input, or whether a pop-up is open. The useState hook is how a function component remembers that changing data. You start by importing it. Import React, useState from React. Then inside your component, you call it like this: const count setCount equals useState 0. That line does three important things. First, it creates a piece of state called count. Second, it gives you a function, setCount, to update that state. And third, it sets the initial value to 0. You never change count directly. You always use setCount. For example, in a button click, setCount, count plus 1. When you call setCount, React schedules a re-render. On that re-render, your component runs again. And this time, count has the new value. One super common Stack Overflow question is, why doesn't my state update right away after calling setState or useState? The answer is that React batches updates. The value won't change until React re-renders. So if you log count right after setCount, you'll still see the old value. If you need the latest value based on the previous one, use the functional form. setCount, prevailing, presumed, prev plus 1. React gives you the previous value and you return the new one. This is safer when you're doing multiple updates. You can store more than numbers. For a toggle, try const open setOpen equals useState res false. Set settings open minus prev for objects and arrays. Remember to copy the old value. For example, to add an item, set items prevailing pg minus prev monad. And for an object, setNam prevent prev name Alex. React doesn't merge objects for you. You spread the old one, then change what you need. That's the core idea of useState. Store a value, update it with the setter. Let React re-render your UI. If you want to turn this kind of explanation into your own clean animated video, check out vidfactory.ai. You can create explainer videos like this quickly without needing a full design or editing team. Thanks for watching, and happy React coding!